Alright, Roger got my goggles on. So your boy out here blind. He said he got his contacts in. Let's say, hey Roger, just in case if I get blown in the hell away, you can wear my goggles. Yeah, I had it. He didn't bring his though. You see how he is white? Now I need to take the room with the AC. My brain is swollen because I got hit. Where you going, bro? He gonna leave me in here by myself. This is a sandstorm. I'm gonna just tell you right now, my skin hurts. See how my dude's over there in the wall? This ain't no joke. I don't know if y'all can see this. This would look like inside the tent. TV safe, so it's good. Laptop, straight. Look. Look at Roger got paper towels in the hallway. It's so dirty, man. Look at this. No, I'm good, bro.
These motherfuckers ain't shit, man.
You can hold on to them. You can have them. Got you sleep in my goggles. That's like letting another man use your toothbrush. Just don't do that. I'm trying to enjoy some AC. Look how he kicks me out. White. Trying to enjoy some AC. He gonna kick me out. Hey, bro, you peed in your bed, bro? It looked like he peed in his bed. Look at this wet spot. Come on, bruh. Look at this dude. Mom, look. I shared my gummy bears with him. Take some for myself. He got homemade chili. This dude got everything, bro. Yeah, baby wipes for days. You know he don't take no showers. I don't know what the pills are for. Not like he goes to the gym. Work on his fitness. Look, hemp seeds. Who takes hemp seeds? That's Roger though, man. Bootlegs for days.
You still up in here?
My man got the Haji store loves him. Every time they see him, they know they're gonna at least get $10 from him. Look at that. Bootlegs. And then white. Your boy made this right here. James Russell. Sweat, blood, and tears. I put the little helmet holder. He gonna pull rank on me, right? And say he needs it for his stuff. And he gonna put his dirty rag right there. Look, I didn't touch it, man. He gonna put his dirty rag right there, so I don't even want it no more. Look.
You got so much.
You really are wearing contacts, bro.
Come on, man. What, you gonna document my life, man?
Nah, just orange, bro. Now show my mom the gummy bears you stole from my room, so she can send me some more. Well, I don't know if she should. I mean, you know, I might get this as a job since you guys don't want it. Hey, White, since you left, bro, look at Roger, man. Keeping White's memory alive. Put that good water in there too. That's from Coca-Cola? That's from Coca-Cola. This is how we do it, look. Got the Lysol, the spray. Look, I'm gonna show y'all his room real quick. He got 2 AC vents, right? Mind you, we in Afghanistan. Let me show you mine. Like an AC vents. Oh, look at his. You can't see it. Dang. Let me show you like a AC vents in my room. And I'm the one that got hit. You see anything like that in mine? If mine, you know I got allergy. Man, dust for days. What am I supposed to do with that? Nothing but boogers in my nose when I wake up. You don't see no AC vents. Stop, show you. Oh, they plugged it over some plastic bag. That's about it. Well, I'm signing off. Cause I got man waiting on me right there. See y'all later.